Hey mama! If you've ever wondered why so many moms use a breast pump, let's break it down together. Breast pumping is more than just expressing milk, it's about freedom, comfort, and keeping your milk supply steady. Whether you're heading back to work, spending time away from your baby, or just need a break, pumping makes sure your little one still gets your precious milk. Here are a few tips to make pumping easier. Relax and take deep breaths, stress can slow your milk flow. Make sure your pump parts fit comfortably and are clean. Try to pump about every 2 to 3 hours to keep your supply strong. When you finish, store your milk right away. It can stay fresh for 4 hours at room temperature, up to 4 days in the fridge, and for months in the freezer. Always label your milk with the date before storing. And remember, every mom's pumping journey is different. Don't compare yourself to others. What matters most is that you're providing love and nourishment in your own way. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gentle breastfeeding tips.